Hello. Geography Adventure with Yellow Duolingo. Oh, hi. Come in. We're so glad you're here. I'm pretending to travel around the world. Would you like to travel around the world with us? Great! So, let's start our geographical adventure. Okay. So, where should we go? Our geographical adventure has it all. Asia, Africa, Oceania, North, and South America, and oh, even Europe. Hey, where do you want to go first? Hey, are you having fun in Paris? You will? Great! Hey, do you want a quaison? Well, here's a quaison for you. This is the best geographical adventure. Hey, thank you so much for all your help today. We couldn't have done it without you.